Today I'm going to be talking about how I've been maintaining my braids. Hi everyone, it's on the Loc journey, and I am most certainly still on my Loc journey. I make videos to inspire you to stick to your journey, whatever that journey might be. Today I'm going to be talking about how I maintain my braids. I've had my hair in this style for a week now. Last week I did a clarifying session with baking soda and clarifying shampoo, and then I followed up that clarifying session with a hot oil treatment, which is detailed in one of my previous videos. I followed up my hot oil treatment and the clarifying session with this style. Instead of just braiding my roots, as I detailed in my I retwist with oil and water video, I braided all the way to the end of my locks, and I've kept my hair in this style for a week. So I'm going to show you how I maintain my locks while they are braided. Satin bonnet, satin bonnet. In a previous video I talked about how excited I was to discover that I could fit all of my locks into a satin bonnet. I bought a few more, and my husband has also taken to using these satin bonnets. He loves braiding his hair. This is actually his go-to style. But the both of us, we have multiple satin bonnets at this point, and we like to sleep with our hair in these satin bonnets, especially when it's in braids or we have a fresh retwist. It's just easy to slap it on before we go to sleep. And so generally when I'm in the house, especially because I have pets, I just keep my locks wrapped up in this satin bonnet. So when I get up in the morning, I remove my satin bonnet, and before I go to work, I use my handy dandy spray bottle. You all are probably tired of seeing this at this point. What's in my spray bottle changes based on how I'm feeling. When I get up in the morning and I'm on my way to work, I like to just spritz my locks. Right now my spritz contains aloe vera juice and some oils. And so I like to just spritz my locks with this concoction. I think right now my spray has lavender and tea tree based on how it smells as my main essential oils, as well as some carrier oils. And I focus on the length of my locks. I can just tell where they're kind of crunchy, and I like to saturate my locks just to make sure that they're pliable. They tend to get a little dry when I keep them in braids for some reason. If my locks were loose, I probably would brush them at this point, or I would have brushed them before I sprayed. But I also like to just check my locks for lint, even though I keep my locks wrapped at night, just to make sure that I'm not going out of the house looking like no one loves me. This is generally how I've been wearing my hair. I just wear it down. I have some kind of, I guess my, let me see. I have a center-ish part right now, and sometimes I just flip this one over and wear most of my hair to my right side, your left. This is how I've been wearing my hair. This is what it looks like. Week 1. I also like to do some very basic lock styles when I have my hair in braids. I've noticed and learned over the last 9 years that whenever you do even a little bit to your locks when they're in braids, it looks like you really put a lot of effort into your hair. And I get a lot of compliments on my locks whenever I pull them back or put them up whenever they're in braids. So I'm going to show you 2, maybe 3 ways that I style my locks while they're in braids. The first way is just to take the locks from the side, tie them to the back. I do this even when my locks are not in braids, but I think it looks even more distinguished when they are in braids. So I like to kind of roll the locks that I'm going to use to tie. So say I'm going to use these as the tie. I roll them a little bit, and then I take the ones on this side. I do the same thing. This pile is tucked down under. And this is what I look like when I'm sitting at my desk. And you can see what I'm talking about. It looks like I really put in a lot of effort here. I'm gonna have a little bit of a crown. Another style that I like to do when my hair is in braids is to just continue that roll that I was talking about earlier, but go all the way to the back. Sometimes I take my locks and I pull to the front. I can take them, pull them to one side. That's a look. Have them all pulled to the back. Another favorite style of mine while wearing braids is just like a grab and tie. So like taking my braids and piling them all on top of my head. Sometimes I do a slight basket weaving like I'm doing now. I like this hairstyle for when I'm trying to get my hair up off my neck. And I like to just use the mirror and then tuck in all the loose locks that are sticking out all over the place. Also like using a satin scarf just to secure the perimeter of a grab and go pile up. I'm sure this style actually has a name, but fashion statement, a way to get my locks up off my neck in the summertime. I just keep going until I'm satisfied with how the pileup is looking. This is a great way for people to be able to see my face, but that's how I've been rocking my braids for the last week or so. Feel free to leave any questions, comments, or suggestions in the comment box below, and I will be back with another update, probably in another week when I decide to braid this out so that you see what my locks look like crinkly, and you can see how I've been maintaining them post retwist. Alright, until next time, I am still most certainly on my lock journey. Love and light to you.